Hi there, I am William L. Sabug Jr., a tech-savvy general virtual assistant dedicated to helping professionals streamline their daily operations. As an information technology instructor, I have developed exceptional organizational communication and leadership skills. This background makes me highly effective at handling administrative support, documentation, and project coordination for your business. I also bring strong creative value to the table. As a creative media specialist of the QSU Digital Media Center, I have managed everything from video editing and graphic layout to producing multimedia content and handling complex live streaming setups. As someone currently advancing my studies at the doctoral level, I am a continuous learner who is highly adaptable, proactive, and knowledgeable in modern AI-assisted productivity workflows. I would love to bring this dedication and efficiency to your team. Thank you so much for your time and have a wonderful day.